Here's another interesting feature of the Imperial 60, the ribbon spool. Left side. You can just see it written there. The left side ribbon spool. What's interesting about it is that the door opens up like this. And is hooked on that hook. But underneath, when that door opens, there's a catch on the bottom. And that catch on this piece here, which itself triggers the ribbon reverse. This catch on the bottom of the ribbon, which will be flipped up the other way, hooks down inside here, not into the slot, down here, and controls this part here. And as you can see, when the ribbon spins around, that catch there spins within the range of that big arm with the slot in it. It's going to want to pull this catch back over to this part of the slot by opening that door when it's finished feeding, like this. Now, because of this, I am not going to wind on the ribbon ring. When this ribbon gets to the end of its cycle, when it finishes feeding, it's going to want to trigger that reverse. It's going to trigger that reverse by pulling the door back. Because of the ribbons here, the ring will be getting jammed up in the ribbon drive. So I'm just going to chop that ring off